Welcome students to SUNYA IAS. So guys, congratulations to all those who have cleared prelims examination and are going to appear in mains 2022. So guys, in this we'll be discussing about the general study plan for those candidates who are going to appear in mains 2022. But before we discuss the study plan, let me tell you guys, it's not just only the knowledge that is going to clear the examination. One most important pillar in this is right mindset. Now, what is this right mindset I'm going to talk about is, see, many of you must be getting messages from your seniors, from your friends that you should not be wasting any more minute. And let me tell you, that's correct too. Time is running out. That's a fact, guys. And that's why I'll also be very, very precise while talking about my general study plan. Now, time is running out. So therefore, guys, you need to ensure that there is optimal utilization of time. This is the most important resource you have as of now as compared to any other resource. Therefore, how to get the best out of time, it's something up to you. Now, another thing that happens, आपके दिमाग में क्या होता है ना, क्लॉक चल रही होती है, टिक टॉक. Some students, they start get panicking. And especially this panicness increase when they see their peers preparation. So what happened, वो continuously सोचते हैं, यार मैंने ये नहीं पढ़ा. And this panicness and anxiety, what happens, leading to declining productivity of that particular candidate. We know the time is running out and you have to ensure the optimal utilization of time. But along with this, guys, it's very important that you maintain calmness. Calmness is the key here, guys. I'm telling you, there is nothing powerful than your mind at this time. Let me make a difference between your prelims and mains preparation, guys. Mains preparation requires to fill the blank sheets. You are going to get blank sheets which needs to be filled with your knowledge. And that knowledge can only be reflected once you have a calm mind. Because without this calm mind, what will happen? You will always be distracted. Your productivity will be much lesser as compared to your peers. And if your productivity is less, you are not able to recall the points, how will you fill these blank sheets? Therefore, in this mains examination, the mental exercise, the mind is going to play much higher role than your prelims examination too. So therefore, I want the students to be ensuring calmness. And how can it be done? There is nothing better way than doing a meditation in a day. I'm telling you guys, just take out the 30 minutes in your 24 hours, which is easily possible. अब आप ये मत बोलना कि सर 30 minutes में time is running out. Let me tell you that 30 minutes is going to give you the output of 2 hours. उससे ज्यादा आपको output मिलने वाला है. So you need to ensure, guys, the calmness. You will realize the importance of calmness after a certain period of time. Now, the last thing here in your mindset, I want to fulfill that thing is, you can do it, guys. You can do it irrespective of the fact that whether you have prepared or optional or not, irrespective of the fact that where your friends or peers preparation are, irrespective of the fact that this is your first mains. You need to put in your mind that you can do it. There has to be the complete belief on yourself, guys. You need to have complete belief on yourself, because once you have the belief, I am telling you, you will be utilizing the time. You will be maintaining calmness in your mind. But for that, you need to believe in yourself. And here, I want you guys to be a bit selfish and try to say no. If you feel that certain things are hampering your time, say no. Say no to others for distracting the time. Say no to yourself also when anytime you come up with new material for a particular subject, say no to yourself that no, I'll not be going for the another material. I will be sticking my decided sources and continue with that. It's very important that you need to say no, guys, to others for ensuring that you do not distract from your time, and at the same time to yourself also, to stopping yourself from reading multiple sources. No. Clear? This is very, very important. Now, once your mindset is in right, guys, in the right frame, then we can talk about the general study plan. Now, here I like to highlight again important point that, guys, this mains examination I told you is just about filling the blank sheets. Now, filling the blank sheets and scoring high requires too much of mental thinking, and that is possible, guys, when you have 4 times revision of your content. 4 times revision. It's important, guys, कि आपका इतने time revision हो so that you score the highest, one of the highest marks in GS or optional. अगर आपका revision, like suppose मैं आपको बताऊं, आपका revision अगर 1 or 2 times हुआ, it's not that you will not be qualifying, but you might not be scoring that high marks. I'm telling you that thing, because you need to revise that content again and again, so that you produce that same thing in the final exam. You take the examples now from Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, any field you look at, guys, they practice the same stuff, and doing the same stuff, then only they are able to replicate that in the final thing. Now, you should not be thinking, oh, I have read this, now I'm getting bored. Arey, bored ki to baat hi nahi aa gayi yaar. How can you think that you are getting bored? You should not be. See, if this is something important, if clearing the IAS examination, UPSC examination is the most important thing, then this word ki sir, no motivation, sir, bore ho gaya hai, same cheez padhte padhte, that thing should not come. Have you asked any player that whether they get bored by playing the same shot? No. They have to. They have no choice. In the same way, guys, you guys also have no choice. You have to read the same content again and again. Clear? And that's why this plan, if you see, this is, as I told you, it's a general plan. Clear? So that everyone can be fit into this. But the specific plan, if you want, guys, you can meet our mentors. You can visit to the SUNYA IAS office. Clear? They can help you in making your specific study plan. Now, see, by the 11th of July, your half optional should be done. That is 1 paper. By 31st July, your full optional must be done. So 1 revision is already done. Clear? Now, if you see from here to 31st July, it's around 40 days. Clear? Around 40 days. Then from 31st to 25th July, it's around 25 days. And then here, it's like 12 to 13 days. So you see, every time our revision should get half of the time. This is the key. If you are taking more time, like more than half of the time, then you have not read it properly. I'm telling you, that means you have not read it properly. Clear? And we need to finish our optional 3rd revision by 7th of September, guys, so that the next few days is aimed only for GS plus essay. Only and only GS plus essay. Because 4th revision, we will be doing it once we get the time between the GS and the optional exam. Clear? So this is like a general study plan for optional, guys. And let me tell you, strive, guys, aim. Whether it comes or not, we do not know, but just aim for 280 plus marks. Work in this manner that you ensure 280 plus in the optional. One way, which I'm telling you from my experience, is revision. 4 times revision is recommended. Coming to the GS and essay part, guys, start with GS4, GS3. So by 11th of July, guys, your GS4 and GS3 should be finished. Now, many of you might think, sir, GS3 involves current affairs. Guys, look at the paper. look at the previous year papers. You need to have a good understanding of issues which is already there. आपके पास issues का कंटेंट ऑलरेडी होना चाहिए by that time. Yes, कुछ करंट अफेयर्स के आएंगे, उसके लिए मैंने बाद में पुट करके रखा है टाइम. But by now, already when it is there, you can finish GS4, GS3. You can start practicing essays. And to certain students who might be a beginner, might be writing the mains first time, for them, they can go for daily answer writing practice too for certain days. And they can choose these subjects because they are reading GS4 and GS3. Now, why this daily answer writing is practice for them? See, these students, they need little bit of confidence. Little bit of confidence. They need that, okay, that hesitation to write the answer, that needs to be removed. Therefore, for such students, it is recommended. Is it recommended for all? No. If you are writing the mains, I would suggest you write full length test, guys, directly, not even sectional test, because you have written and you want to improve your score. But those candidates who are writing the mains first time, I would recommend them to go for daily answer writing practice. Clear? Then by 31st July, GS2 and GS1. So therefore, our one revision of GS is done. One revision of GS has to be done by 31st of July. Clear? All kind of essays must be written, including the philosophical essays, must be done by 31st July. And here, guys, focus on mains test series. Try to write as many tests as possible. Clear? Because आप क्या करोगे? अगर आप लिखोगे सितंबर में, आपकी कॉपी इवैल्यूएट करके नहीं मिलेगी. You will not be able to learn at that time. This is the time. This July month is the time till 15th August where you can write good number of tests and try to improve. आप सोचो कि नहीं मैं end of August, 1st of September में लिखूंगा, not worth it. You will not be getting any time to improve your mistakes. Clear? Then in the same way, guys, second revision needs to be done by 25th, 30th August. Clear? And during this period, you can include the current events. Apart from that, practice essay full mock test as much as possible. And then third revision of GS and essay has to be done before 15 September. So this is like a 3 times revision plan where you can include one more revision if it's possible to you. Clear? So as I told you, this is a general study plan. For specific to any particular student, you are most welcome to visit to the office. Now, guys, how SUNYA IAS is going to assist the mains 2022 aspirants? See, let me tell you, guys, there are a number of initiatives. Certain important initiatives I've highlighted here. The most important one is mains GS books. Guys, I know that you are short of content. आपको चाहिए कि issues का कोई मुझे challenges दे दे, कोई मुझे way forward दे दे, कोई मुझे data दे दे. Now, this is all scattered. Therefore, we have devised these books. We have devised this mains GS books, one paper, one book. And the most important issues, static plus current, are covered in the issue-based manner. When I say issue-based manner, that means there is data involved in this. There is a conceptual information. There is benefits or challenges, way forward. Everything is covered in that particular article. Clear? And in this way, one paper consists of the issues. So therefore, these books are very, very handy, going to be very handy for you guys. Then there are crash courses, guys. Crash courses, whether it is of GS plus essay crash courses also launched. Let me highlight, guys, these crash courses are aimed to explain you the concept along with the content enrichment. So along with the content enrichment, it will make the subject much easier for you. It will help you in generating dimensions. You will be understanding the technique that how can you generate dimensions. Clear? How can you generate dimensions? Plus the essay crash course is another important factor. Now these crash course, guys, are bilingual with major focus on English, guys. If you see 80% of the things, that will be in English, but it will be like in a lucid, simple English so that it can be understood by anyone. Clear? Then third thing is, guys, for your assessment, we have launched test series, which consists of 15 test GS plus essay. Now, in this, the unique thing, guys, about these test series is there are full length tests, and those full length tests are being conducted for each GS paper. Therefore, they are not sectional tests. We have not come up with sectional test. That's also another test series. आप वो भी join कर सकते हो. Although, guys, will recommend you to join this because this full length test series is ultimately going to be important for you. You need to understand that how you need to attempt various subjects questions. Clear? And at the same time, 3 full length essay paper. So apart from these, guys, these things, there is also personal mentorship available. For this, you can always visit to the SUNYA IAS website, or you can visit to our office, meet the faculties or the mentors. So all the best, guys. Take care. In case you have any doubts, do not hesitate to ask us.